Hello, my name is Vladimir and I am the head of the process for creating electroplating engineering and environmental equipment at Ives company. Ives is a company engaged in the development of electroplating and other engineering and environmental equipment. Enterprise also provides engineering services for the creation of modern production facilities of any level of complexity. We begin each project with a detailed study of our clients' needs. With our strong scientific and technical capabilities, we incorporate many of our own innovations into the equipment, enabling our clients to solve even the most complex challenges. Channel, we want to answer questions that arise when ordering electroplating equipment, as well as introduce you to the stages of designing and creating electroplating production facilities. That's it. And also to showcase our completed projects. With our work and stay informed about the latest trends in electroplating production, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit the Ives company website, submit your technical requirements, and receive a personalized solution for electroplating equipment.